Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a haul to share with you guys. It's going to be from Amazon. They've got some really cool bits on there at the moment. Yeah, so I thought I'd just pop on and do a video and share with you what I picked up. This I have shared before in a previous video. I just thought they were so good. They were, I want to say £2 something, $2.30 something were they, or something like that. And I just thought, why they're still that price? I think I literally did that video and then went back on and ordered another lot because I thought, oh, this is such a good deal. And I find with Amazon, if you don't, like, the prices can change. So like you could order this like one week and then the following week they've gone up to like 13 quid. So I thought, why they're like $2 something. Yeah, I'll just order another lot. You get 50 in a pack. This is kind of a few of the different ones. Obviously all Christmas themed. You got Santa's. You do get like a few of the same ones. I thought that's really cute. The snowman. That's Santa. You got the wreath one. Oh, that Santa's got no eyes. There's no eye. There's no eyes on there, but obviously you could just get a little black pen and just draw those on. But yeah, he's got no eyes. That's a cute snowman. I just thought they were really good. They do come with these, like I said before, so they can go on like these and you can fix them onto projects and stuff so they like move around. I don't know if I'm going to use these. I might try and find another use for these. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, and they come with the sticky pads as well to attach them to these. But I just, like I said, I thought they were really good for the amount you get. You get 50 in a pack. And they were like £2. I want to say $2.39 or something like that. Then saw these. These are gingerbread men. I think that's it. I don't know how many you get in. No, it doesn't state how many is in here. These are like little charms, but they do feel quite thin. I think these were like $1.99. These are really, like, really thin. I mean, for $1.99 they're not bad. I'll see, that one feels a lot better. Okay, I don't know if you're going to see on camera. I don't know if I'm in frame. The thickness of this one is a lot better. Do you see how it's not so flimsy? But this gingerbread, look how... If they were all made this thickness and this sturdy, I would definitely order another two packs, because I think they're really cute little charms to add to projects or even presents when you're giving out gifts. I think they would be quite nice on a, like, to add to the tag and stuff. If they were all like this sort of thickness and sturdiness, I mean, this is supposed to be a reindeer. It does not look like a reindeer to me, and it's really flimsy. I'm a bit disappointed in some of them. Oh, that's such a shame. Let's open these ones and see what these are like. Because if these gingerbread were, like I said, the same sturdiness as that wreath, as that star, I would definitely have ordered some more. They're just so flimsy, these gingerbread ones. You can see the difference in the thickness of it. It's just so, this is a lot better quality. Yeah, these are just all really thin and not worth the price. Might as well open these ones and see what these are like. I mean, they're still cute. I still use them. I mean, you could cut that off and you could add it. You don't have to have it as a charm. You could just literally cut that piece off and then stick it. That's what I may do with these, and stick it to a project. But I would have loved if they were this thickness and sturdy like this one. This is, yeah, I would have bought a couple more packs if they were this thickness and not this thin. And this, I don't think I'll use that one because it just doesn't look like reindeer to me. But the gingerbreads look cute, and like I said, I will use those, but I wouldn't order. Yes, I don't really recommend those. I wouldn't order those again, just purely because they're just not really sturdy. But that's those. Then ordered this die. I thought this was really cute. Again, I've never used any of these, so I can't say how they stamp or cut. Maybe I'll do another video and show how they all cut out. But this had quite a lot of tags and like presents, and I thought it'd be great for Christmas. You got like little labels, this like little presents you could make into tags, this feather, these tags, labels, and then this one comes with quite a few different presents and tags. Again, I had Christmas in mind for these dies, and you get quite a lot set, like quite a lot in this set. So that's that one. Then saw this stamps. This one. This is actually sealed. I'll grab some scissors and open this. So I thought these would be cute for ATCs or twinchies, things like that. Yeah, I thought these would make little cute projects, little stamps. Got the lemon one, apple, I think that's blueberry, strawberries. I thought they were really cute and great to use on projects, so I got that one. Then got this stamp set for Halloween. Oh, it's packaged up well. It's got another plastic sleeve on now. And it came with this pumpkin, and then it came with all the different faces. I thought that was really cute. You can kind of make your own sort of pumpkins, and yeah, I just thought they'd be quite cute on cards. It says trick or treat, you're my boo. I thought that was quite a nice saying. To make some Halloween cards and stuff. I just like the shape of these pumpkins as well. So yeah, so I got that one. Then saw this. This was quite good actually. When I bought this, it was, I want to say $2.99, but I've noticed the price has gone up. That's what I'm saying about Amazon. They literally, the prices change from one week to the next. This is the Gorgeous Girls. It comes with the die and some stamps, so it makes a postcard. So the set includes one postcard die with embossing detail and 10 rubber stamps. So I thought that'd be really cute. That's kind of like a example of what you could make, and I just thought the postcard die would be kind of fun to use on different projects, or like little journaling cards if you were making. I was actually had this in mind for a recipe book, and I could use these kind of postcard this postcard die to make like little recipe cards with. Yeah, so that's kind of what I had in mind for it. Yeah, so I thought it's quite a nice size. And again, like I said, that was on offer when I went on there. Next I picked up this, and this has some like autumn and Halloween dies in it. It's like a little, I don't know if it's got an example on here. Comes with like a little door to make a kind of box out of it. I was hoping I could use this on some Christmas projects. So if I show you this one, it's got like a box with like a little door. Obviously I'll have to come back and share it with you. Oh, it does come with some, so it comes with some holly, some little flowers, pumpkin, some leaves, another pumpkin, little bird, flower, this little light, a bell, I think this is holly, bows, some hearts. Comes with this cute door, like layering pieces, and then it also comes with all these different elements as well. So you've got so I guess you could do all different themes, because it's got like horseshoes, so you could do like wedding, a wreath, so I could do Christmas, a bunny for Easter with a basket, some eggs, some different flowers, leaves. That little face I think would work great on like the pumpkin. Yeah, so I hope these cut really well. Yeah, they look really cute, so I'm excited to try out that die set. So that's that one. This is a Global Land. I have ordered stuff off of Global Land before, and they have cut really well. It does say Valentine to album craft die. Maybe that's what it's called, I don't know. But yeah, I guess you could make an album out of that, I'm not sure. But the image I saw was like a little box with a door, so yeah, I'm excited to try that out. This is a repurchase as well. I bought this before, so yeah, I bought another one of these. I just really liked it. I thought they would be quite cool to do either a giveaway with it, or I might send it out in some Happy Mail. Haven't really decided, but I just thought it was really cute and sweet. It's a X-cut die, and you get 14 dies in here, and it cuts out these two little birds like budgies, this like frame, and these flowers as well, so really cute. These are all the bits to it, quite a nice size. So I've got another one of those. The next thing I picked up, I don't have anything for St. Patrick's Day. Not that I celebrate either, really, St. Patrick's Day, but I thought it'd be quite nice maybe to send out a card or something to people that do celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I just thought it'd be quite nice to have in my stash. I most probably wouldn't get anything else in St. Patrick's. Like I said, I don't really make crafts from St. Patrick's, but I thought it'd be quite nice to have one thing in my stash. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day, sending luck and love, and then it says good luck. So maybe I could use this for someone that was, you know, good luck kind of thing. I might like find other uses for it. So it comes with the dies and the stamps. So it's got the leprechaun now, and then it's got some, got these, I never know if they're like gonks or gnomes, and then yeah, pot of gold. So it's got some balloons, the clover. I thought that was kind of sweet. And then these are the coordinating dies. So I presume you could use that to cut out the wording. You've got a tag there that cuts out that whole piece there. Yeah, and you've got some other bits to it as well. I think that cuts out the clover. I'm not quite sure what these little bits are for. Yeah, I'm not quite sure about those three. But yeah, I just thought that was really cool. Little set and something to kind of add to my stash. So that's that one. And then the last one is this, and I had this in mind for ATCs. I just loved all the different images, and they've kind of got like an autumn feel to it. This is by Global Land again, and yeah, I think these will look really nice on some ATCs. I think it's one. Is it individual? Oh yeah, so they're individual stamps. So I'll try and share. So you've got a vase, like a jug of sunflowers. You've got like scarecrow, pumpkins, toadstools. You've got like turkey for Thanksgiving, acorns. I just thought they're really cute. Yeah, and I thought they'd be like awesome for an ATC kind of thing, or even cards and things. So I thought that was really good. So I'm really pleased with that. So please go and check them out. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I just can't get over that reindeer. It just doesn't, I don't even know where its other leg is. It's got that, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, don't buy these. So I won't leave these in the link down below because they are not worth, yeah, not worth it. But the rest I will link. As always, guys, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Have an awesome week, guys. Take care. Bye.